lovelies, thanks for stopping by today. So today we are diving into a spicy world of jambalaya rice. So delicious, just look at it. My name is Taviza Metika and you're welcome to the Sunshine side of YouTube. So to make our jambalaya rice, we're going to be prepping for some ingredients, and here I am, I'm prepping for the chicken. I'm using chicken breast. Chicken is one of my favorite protein to eat. I love chicken so much. Like when you wake me up from sleep and you ask me what I want to eat, seriously, the first thing that comes to my mind is chicken. I'm so obsessed with chicken and I'm very proud of it. I know a lot of folks say, oh, turkey is so nice. But the thing that got me pissed is I see them cooking with chicken. But you said turkey is nice, so why are you coming with chicken? Just stick with your turkey. I'm sticking with my chicken and I love chicken so much. So I'm just chopping my chicken in just some large chunks. So I want my jambalaya rice to have chunky chicken in it, and that's like the best thing that can happen to me, eating chunky chops of chicken. So another thing you need to know when dealing with chicken, you just need to be careful because chicken can, get contaminated easily and can run your stomach if you don't handle carefully. So one thing you need to do when working with chicken is to use a plastic chopping board, a glass chopping board. Do not use a wooden chopping board because wood can absorb a lot of juice and it can lead to contamination. So maybe sometimes when you eat and you just notice that you have food poisoning, that can be the reason. So when working with chicken, make use of plastic chopping board or glass chopping board and not wooden chopping boards. After cutting the chicken, spice it up. I'm just cutting some onions and later I'll cut some garlic and ginger. If you're new to my channel, thanks for stopping by. Do not forget to hit on the subscribe button, turn on your notification to get notified of when I drop new videos, and do not forget to hit on the like button. Comment below, I would love to hear from you. I'm seasoning my chicken with some paprika, crushed pepper, rosemary, coriander, sage, mustard seed, curry, and salt. Marinate this well. Using natural spices enhance the flavor and aroma of your food. It will also add depth and complexity to your food. It will make your food to taste very sophisticated and not cheap. Another thing I'm going to use is hot dog. Just cut your hot dogs into chunks. If you want to treat yourself to something nice, you just want to pat yourself and say you're doing well, you need to make this jambalaya rice. Like I promise you, you're going to feel good by yourself. You're eating something so sumptuous, something so nice, something so sophisticated. Oh my God, like what else can make you feel so good? This is a rice for you. So the next thing I'm going to prep for is our prawn. I just added some salt to this, toss it, and I set aside until when I want to use it. So the next thing I'm going to prep for is our nice shade. I'm just blending some red bell pepper, some tomato and pepper. Just blend this roughly and set aside until when I want to use it. So like I said before, if you want to treat yourself to something nice, this is a rice to make. Like I've been going through a lot lately, and to add to it, I've been house hunting, and it's not funny at all, especially searching for a house in Lagos, Nigeria. Oh my goodness, you see all sorts of things and conditions that you are just wondering why. So let me just go back to what we are prepping for. I'm just cutting green bell pepper and red bell pepper. Adding bell pepper to your jambalaya rice will enhance its flavor, color, and texture. It will also bring that sweet and slightly tangy taste to the rice that can balance up the spiciness of the rice. So I want to say a very big thank you to all those that keep watching my videos. Thank you so much. I see all your likes, all your comments. Thank you so much. And for those that have just newly subscribed to my channel, Thank you. And for those that are yet to subscribe, that are about to click the subscribe button, thank you. Add some butter or oil to a pan. I added butter for it to add more richness to the chicken, but you can decide to use just oil. That's if you want. Just fry your chicken until the chicken browns or until it is properly cooked. Add the hot dog or sausage and cook this for just 2 minutes and scoop out. So the next thing we're prepping for is our prawn. I added oil to the pan. I added some onions and garlic. I already seasoned my prawn with salt, so there's no need of adding salt and there's no need of adding any other spices because prawn is already sweet on its own, so it doesn't need any other thing to enhance its flavor. Just cook this for some minutes. Do not overcook your prawn as it becomes very rubbery and not nice. Set this aside. To a large pot, add in oil. So this is when we're cooking our rice proper. Saute some onions and garlic. Add in your roughly blended tomato. Add in tomato paste. Season this. I added some bay leaf, some seasoning cube, coriander, sage, rosemary, curry, and salt. Add in the chopped bell peppers, stir and allow the tomato to dry properly. You can also check my other previous videos. I have lots of amazing stuff like this and more. If you love bread, if you love donuts, if you love cake, I have all of that. Check them out. So into this, I'm going to be adding washed rice. Stir this properly so that all the sauce can enter into the rice. Add in chicken stock and water enough to cook the rice. Please do not over add water so that you don't end up with soggy rice. Just check the quantity of water that you know can cook the rice thoroughly. So I made use of basmati rice, but you can use any rice of your choice. Cover this and cook. So my rice has properly cooked. Look at it looking so yummy and delicious. Stir this properly and add in your chicken, your sausage, and your prawn. Garnish with some spring onions. Stir and guess what? Turn off the heat and your delicious jambalaya rice is ready. Oh my goodness, this is rice for you. Thanks for watching, guys. If you've enjoyed this video, do not forget to hit on the like button, comment. I would love to hear from you. And if you haven't subscribed, click on the subscribe button. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you on the other flip side. Bye for now. Lots of kisses. Ciao.